Welcome to Choice Champions. The best freestanding tub drain is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in achieving that luxurious, spa-like bathroom sanctuary you've been dreaming of, ensuring not only a seamless aesthetic but also efficient water management and long-term durability, making its selection a critical decision for any homeowner aiming for both style and functionality in their bathing space. Number 5. OS&B ITD 5135 2-piece PVC freestanding tub drain kit. Make your bathroom remodels easier with this 2-piece island tub drain rough-in. It comes with everything you need for a seamless installation, offering both convenience and functionality. Its asymmetrical deck plate is designed to not interfere with freestanding faucet rough-ins. This makes installation easier in tight spaces, fitting 8 or 10-inch joist spaces. Crafted with a durable PVC body, this tub drain kit is built to last. It allows for the freestanding tub location to be defined early in the process, even before tiling. Featuring a snap-off test cap, it's rated for water, air, and smoke testing. This ensures a reliable and secure installation every time. This comprehensive kit includes a flanged brass tailpiece, a PVC adapter kit, a reducing bushing, a mortar tile guard, an island drain assembly, and a cutting template. What we like? This drain kit is designed for ultimate ease of installation, especially in challenging spaces. Its testable design ensures peace of mind before final finishing. If you're tackling a bathroom remodel in a tight area or a small bathroom, this is a fantastic choice for a hassle-free setup. What people say? The drain is well made and feels sturdy. Installation was straightforward, and it fits perfectly with my freestanding tub. The finish is beautiful and matches my other bathroom fixtures exactly. Number 4. OS&B ITD 35 Freestanding Tub Drain Kit. Make your bathroom remodels easier with this innovative tub drain rough-in. It comes with everything you need for a smooth and convenient installation. Its unique asymmetrical deck plate won't interfere with your freestanding faucet. This design is perfect for tight spaces and fits easily into 8 or 10-inch joist spaces. Built with a sturdy PVC body, this drain kit is designed to last. You can define the tub's location early in the process, even before tiling, without needing access below the fixture later. Ensure a leak-free installation with its testable design. It's rated for water, air, and smoke testing, giving you confidence in its performance. This comprehensive kit includes all necessary components for a complete bathtub drain installation. You'll find a brass tailpiece, PVC adapter kit, reducing bushing, mortar guard, drain assembly, and a cutting template. What we like? Featuring an ABS pipe construction and a low-profile asymmetrical deck plate, this drain kit offers excellent compatibility and flexibility. It's ideal for various joist spaces and tight bathrooms, ensuring it won't interfere with faucet rough-ins. If you need a reliable and adaptable drain for a variety of installation scenarios, this one is a strong contender. What people say? The drain is easy to install and fits perfectly with my freestanding tub. It has a sleek design that complements the modern look of my bathroom. The drain effectively prevents water from backing up and keeps the tub clear. Number 3. Freestanding Bathtub Drain Kit. This drain kit is designed for easy installation with most freestanding bathtub models. It fits 1-to-1 2-inch male, female, or threaded tub drains, ensuring a universal drop-in fit. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process, perfect for DIY enthusiasts or professionals. Connect your tub after flooring is complete with no complex alignment needed. Our engineered system guarantees a secure, watertight seal. Prevent leaks and ensure reliable plumbing for years to come. Built to last, it combines heavy-duty white PVC piping with brass components. This ensures excellent corrosion resistance and a long service life. This is the perfect solution for bathroom remodels or new construction. Get fast, clean, and reliable tub drain installation every time. Need to make adjustments? The plate can be easily uninstalled and reinstalled for a perfect fit. What we like? This drain kit boasts a universal drop-in fit and a leak-proof connection system, making it incredibly user-friendly for DIY enthusiasts. It's designed to connect after flooring is completed, simplifying the process. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable solution for your freestanding tub, especially if you're doing the installation yourself, this is an excellent option. What people say. Easy to install, the function of this product is perfect. And when ready to drop the tub in with the tailpiece, the lubricant that is given just lets it slide right down with no problems. This made it so simple. I literally installed this tub in less than 10 minutes. Don't lose the lubricant. Installation can't happen without it. Overall, this made it so easy to install my standing jacuzzi. Love the quality and easy to install. This thing is amazing and makes my job extremely easy. Number 2. WOODBRIDGE 59 Freestanding Soaking Bathtub. Introducing a stunning 59-inch freestanding bathtub, designed to elevate your bathing experience. Its contemporary design brings a touch of luxury to any bathroom space. Enjoy a truly relaxing soak with its generous dimensions and a capacity of 55 gallons. The gently sloping lines are designed to follow the natural curves of your body for ultimate comfort. Crafted from high-gloss acrylic and reinforced with durable resin and fiberglass, this tub is built to last. Its scratch-resistant and stain-resistant surface maintains its brilliant shine for years to come. Safety is paramount. This tub features a non-slip design that meets ASTM standards, ensuring a secure and stable bathing experience every time. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its smooth, easy-to-maintain surface. It resists staining and scratching, keeping it looking as good as new with minimal effort. The double-walled construction provides excellent insulation, keeping your bathwater at the perfect temperature for longer. It's designed for 1 or 2 people to enjoy. This bathtub comes complete with a solid brass matte black drain and overflow, along with all necessary hardware and a user manual. It's securely packaged for safe delivery. What we like. This freestanding tub is crafted from premium acrylic for a luxurious feel and features a design inspired by body curves for ultimate comfort. The included matte black drain adds a stylish touch. If you prioritize a high-quality, comfortable soaking experience with a sophisticated aesthetic, this tub is a superb choice for your bathroom sanctuary. What people say. The drain is easy to install and fits perfectly with my freestanding tub. It effectively prevents water from leaking and has a sleek, modern design that complements my bathroom. The material feels durable and high quality, and it's simple to clean. Number 1. WOODBRIDGE 59 Contemporary Freestanding Soaking Bathtub. Introducing a stunning 59-inch freestanding bathtub, designed to elevate your bathroom with its contemporary style. It offers a luxurious soaking experience for 1 or 2 people. With exterior dimensions of 59 inches long and a generous 23.14-inch depth, this tub provides ample space for ultimate relaxation. Its gently sloping lines are designed to follow the natural curves of your body for exceptional comfort. Crafted from 100% high-gloss white acrylic and reinforced with fiberglass, this tub is built for lasting durability. The scratch-resistant and stain-resistant surface maintains its high-gloss finish for years to come. Safety is paramount. This bathtub features a non-slip design that meets ASTM standards, ensuring a secure bathing experience. The smooth surface is also easy to clean and resistant to discoloration. Enjoy longer, warmer baths thanks to the double-walled reinforced design that provides maximum insulation. The sturdy base supports up to 1,000 pounds, ensuring stability and longevity. This tub comes complete with a solid brass matte black drain and overflow assembly, along with a user manual. It's shipped in an extremely solid package to guarantee safe delivery. Rest assured with a product that complies with industry standards and certifications. It also includes a 1-year limited warranty and dedicated US-based customer support for your peace of mind. What we like. Built with durable acrylic and reinforced fiberglass, this tub offers long-lasting quality and a generous soaking capacity. Its non-slip design ensures safety, while the easy-to-clean surface maintains its gloss. If you're seeking a robust, safe, and comfortable bathtub that will stand the test of time, this model is an excellent investment for your home. What people say. The drain is very easy to install and works perfectly. It looks great with my new freestanding tub and the finish is high quality. The overflow cover is a nice touch and adds to the overall design. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.